here, we're going to discuss the FCFS, or the first come first serve scheduling, and the shortest job first. So let's go first to the first come first serve scheduling. So in here, what is given to us is the process. So, meron tayong process 1, process 2, and then process 3. So, yung verse time is the allocation or the time allocation or the unit of time allocation for each process. So, si process 1, 24, si process 2 ay 3, si process 3 ay 3 again. So, suppose that the processes arrive in the order of process 1, process 2, and process 3. So, the Gantt chart for the schedule will be, so from 0 unit of time to 24 unit of time, it is under process 1. And then, after that, after 24 or natapos na, dito natapos si process 1, so saka naman ngayon sumunod si process 2, which needed at 3 unit of time. So 24, 25, 26, 27. So matatapos siya at 27. After that, susunod naman natin yung process 3. Kasi yung order niya ay process 1, 2, and 3. So, up 27 plus 3, so we have now 30. So now, let's compute for the waiting time for process 1. So si process 1, hindi siya naghintay kasi siya yung unang process. So yung waiting time niya ay 0, while si process 2 ay 24. Bakit 24? Kasi sa 24 siya nasimulan na i-process. Kaya yung waiting time niya is 24. Assuming na andun na sila at time 0. Now, process 3 have a waiting time of 27. Kasi on 27 unit of time siya na-start na i-process. So, kung i-add natin siya, average waiting time, so 24 plus 27, and then 0 yung first process, over 3, so we have 17. Okay, so that is now for our first come first serve scheduling example. Okay, first come first serve. Another example, if ever nauna yung process 2 kay sunod yung process 3 and then 1. So ganito yung mangyayari. Si process 2 needs 3 units of time. So from 0 to 3, tapos na si process 2. Then from 3 to 6, tapos na si process 3. Followed by process 1. So, from 6 to 30, saka natapos si process 1. Now, let's compute again for the waiting time. So, process 1 here starts at 6. So, yung waiting time niya ay 6. Process 2, 0. Kasi siya yung nauna. Then, process 3 have 3. Okay? So, 6 plus 0 plus 3 divided by 3. So, we have a average waiting time of 3. Yan. Better than the previous case. Ilan yung previous case natin? Ang kanyang average waiting time is 17. Kung nauna yung process 1. Pero dahil dito, sa next example natin, nauna yung process 2. So, naging 3 na lang yung ating waiting time. So, big difference, 'di ba? So, convoy effect, ang tawag dito ay, yung nangyaring yun, ang tawag doon is convoy effect. The short process behind long process. Consider one CPU bound and many input-output bound process. So, yung tawag doon is convoy effect. So, pag yung isang maikling process, naghihintay siya ng matagal kasi yung previous process sa kanya needs a longer burst time. So, yung para bang naiipit ka sa traffic ng maraming truck, tapos nakamotor ka lang naman. So, hindi ka makadaan. Okay? Unlike kung yung maliit na process yung mauna, mas konti yung waiting time. Okay, so that is the first come first serve scheduling. Now, let's go to the shortest job first scheduling. So, associated with each other process, the length of the next CPU burst. Use this length to schedule the process with the shortest time. Ayan. So, gagamitin natin yung length of the next CPU burst. Use this length to schedule the process with the shortest time. So, para ma-lessen yung, itong shortest job first, will know or will have better output by eliminating the convoy effect. So, the shortest job first or SJF is optimal. Give minimum average waiting time for a given set of process. The difficulty is knowing the length of the next CPU burst. So, paano natin makuha yung length na yon? So, paano natin makuha associate each other length of the next CPU burst and use the length to schedule the process with the shortest time. So, sabi dito, so we need to remember this one here. Yan. So, para makuha daw natin yung length, you could ask the user or give an estimate for shortest job first. Okay. It is a preemptive, it is a non-preemptive, yung shortest job first, pero yung preemptive version is called the shortest remaining time first. So, as a recap again, so pag sinabi nating non-preemptive, all the process is finish, so hindi siya nakakat. Okay, yun yung non-preemptive natin. Pag preemptive, ibig sabihin nagkakaroon ng ng cut between process. So nakahati-hati siya. Okay, so let's have an example of the shortest job first. So, in here, we have process 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, process 1 have 6, process 2, 8, process 3, 7, process 4 is 3. So, the shortest job first scheduling chart. So, we have process 4 kasi siya yung pinaka maikli or shortest job first. Then, sunod niya ay yung process 1. Sunod niya is process 3. And then, sunod ay process 2. So, process 4 needs a 3. So, kaya 0 to 3. And then, followed by process 1 which need a 6. So, 6 plus 9, so we have 3 plus 6, we have 9 kasi 6 yung ating process 1. And then, followed by process 3 which is 7. So, 9 plus 7, we have 16. Then, 16 plus 8, ang process 2 natin, so we have 24. So, the average waiting time is, so process 1, so sa average waiting time, so process 1, we have 3. So, 3 unit of time siya naghintay. Process 2, 16. Okay, process 3, 9. And then, process 4, 0. Divided by 4, so we have 7. 7 average waiting time. Okay, so that's it for the shortest job first and the first come first serve scheduling.